everybody? Well, listen, today is the day that we're gonna be surprising Brenton with this massive river monster. Brenton is a really good guy. I mean, as much as I kind of give him a hard time or whatever, you know, and I talk about him being a bad fish keeper or what have you, it's all in fun. I actually really do like Brenton and we get along very well. We have a great relationship. In fact, why don't we flash back to some of Brenton and I's funniest moments? I mean, we have so many of them, but let's go ahead and flash back.
I don't know how we don't get kicked out. Oh, Chris, I can't go in it right now. I can't go in. Chris, let go of me. Let go of me.
What happened to your shorts?
I don't know, but I want to take them fully off. My pants always end up coming off. Good to see you, man.
Yeah, you too.
Yeah, I'll see you on Wednesday.
Can you do me a favor?
Yeah.
Make sure you take care of your grandmother for me.
Yeah, I'll take care. Yeah, I'll take care of her. Did he change? Is he wearing? Did he change?
No, he's been wearing that.
He's been wearing that?
Yeah.
Okay, just making sure.
For you, son. Don't spend it all in one place, okay?
Well, let me get that for you. Let me get that for you really quick. It's right here. It's that one.
Okay, thanks.
Yep, I gotcha. Oh, that was the wind. The wind blew it in that time.
I wish it was that easy to get rid of him. I'm going to buy milk.
He said he wished it was that easy to leave you. Chris don't like you.
Can you see? I can see you. Can you see me?
Here's the thing, is we have no way to get to it. Isn't that right, Chris?
The only way in and the only way out is by chopper.
Or by...
That's it, chopper.
Or by...
Wait. You forgot the finatic flag.
See you boys soon.
Stake your claim, Brenton. Funny thing is he acts like that this is all a joke, but in reality, it's really not. We are trying to claim this island as it's available. And maritime law states that if an island is deserted, then you should undesert it. I'm kidding, I don't know maritime law, but we're... Right now, Brenton Zeckley is knee deep in literally raw sewage. I'm gonna build my house right over here.
Over there?
Build yours on this side.
Okay.
Perfect.
We got an island.
We do, we have an island. Is that a pavilion?
Yes.
So basically we have houses on each end of the island and we meet in the middle for barbecues and picnics.
Yes.
No, but where are we gonna put the helipad?
Over there.
It's a floating helipad. Perfect idea, Daniel. Floating helipad.
Yes. For the helicopter we don't have.
That's okay, we'll hook a drone to us and fly us over to build our own flying machine.
Yes.
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 Whoa.
Woo! Love you, man.
Love you too.
There's an Alabama bull shark right there.
An Alabama bull shark.
That's an Arizona great white shark fish.
Beaver mucks.
The problem is the beaver gave up. He was not very motivated. Maybe he needs to read some Paul Cuffaro posts on Instagram.
That's so funny,
This was definitely not the Gary Vee of beavers. All right, well, hopefully you enjoyed that little bit of flashback. So I want to do something nice for him today. We're going to be surprising him with an absolute massive river monster. Unfortunately, I don't have a lot of footage from when I got this guy, but we're going to go through and we're going to talk about where this thing came from, what it is, and all of those things. In fact, let's flash back to December. I got a call from my friends over at Dallas North Aquarium. They were in a situation where they had to rescue multiple massive fish out of someone's home because they had passed away. And a part of these fish was a large Jardini arowana who unfortunately died during transport, and 3 extremely large ripsaw catfish. One of these ripsaw catfish, which is the largest of the 3, is actually the one we're going to be transporting to Brenton's pond today. So let's get back into this video and watch how this goes. And before we get into this video, I just want to say I watched Brian Barczyk's video this morning, and it is extremely sad news of what he's going through. I'm praying for Brian, and I ask that you do the same thing. If you are a believer of, you know, whatever you're a believer in, even if it's just a believer in the universe, you know, ask for a miracle because he's gonna need it, and it's a very sad situation. Brian is one of those guys that would sit next to you in a cardboard box if needed. He's one of those guys that would give you the shirt off of his back, and he is an absolute good human being and does not deserve to be going through this trial in his life. So make sure that you just stop and take a moment to ask for that miracle. Pray for the miracle, and let's bring the power of prayer together in support of Brian and hope and wish for the best for him. So with that, let's get into this video today. Wow, just wow. You want to talk about a massive river monster? That's it right there. That is the ripsaw catfish. And that thing is, he's got to be 2 foot long.
That's quite big.
He has got a sore on his back where he leaned up against a heater, it appears, and kind of burnt himself maybe. But I've been treating him with antibiotics. It's all healed up now, so he is good to go, and he's ready to go into this pond for Brenton. So let's go ahead and call him and get him over here.
Hey.
Hi, Brenton. What are you doing?
We were playing pig.
You were playing pig?
Yeah.
Like with the pig?
No.
Well, listen, I have a massive surprise for you. And it's very special and dear to my heart. So I was wondering if you maybe wanted to come over and help me load it up so I can bring it back to your house.
Hey, you cut out that whole time.
What the f?
No, so come by your house?
Let's start over. Ready?
Yeah.
Hey, Brenton. Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Good. What are you, like on Metro PCS or something?
That happens to be my carrier.
Well, that explains it all. What I was saying before I cut out is I have a very massive surprise for you. It's by far the largest of the fish you will own, and I want to give it to you.
You want to give it to me?
I want to give it to you. So
okay.
If you're willing to come over here, I've got it loaded up in a tub. We'll throw it in the back of your truck. We'll take it over to your house and we'll introduce it to your other pond friends, and hope you like it. Like I thought I'd do something nice for you because you're always so nice to me.
Okay. I'm a little skeptical.
Okay.
I'm coming over.
Okay. Well, I'm here, so come on. Baby to gill.
Baby to gill.
Baby to gill. You know what I did?
Why are we laughing? What's going on?
So this.
What's happening right now? It looks like we're doing a deal on the street.
Baby to gill.
With cameras.
I'm telling you, your thumb looks. Look.
It looks better.
It looks better. It looks a lot worse.
It looks like a baby shark ate it.
It does. This is gonna be heavy. Don't open it.
Oh.
Okay.
Big surprise. Pick it up.
Pick it up?
Pick it up. We're gonna put it in the back of your truck.
Oh my, okay. What is in the tub? Why are we taking it home?
I can see that you haven't been working out.
Okay, this is lightweight. Okay, can I open it now?
No, we're at Brenton's and we're waiting for him to show up because he has, here he comes right now. He has no clue what's coming. He has no idea what this fish is. And the funny thing is he said on his video, this better not be a betta fish, and guess what it is? It's a betta fish. Don't tell him though. Okay, you ready? Let's get it out of here and get it in first. Here's the deal. Let me check on it first. Can you turn around for a second?
Yeah.
Okay.
Does Jake want to see it?
Jaquan can see it.
What's funny? No. Don't laugh. Is it bad? Can I turn around?
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Can I turn around?
Go ahead.
Son of a... Bro, I called it. Did I not? Did I not say betta fish? I knew it. No, I'm cooking that thing. Give it to me.
Oh my goodness.
Hey.
Oh,
there's just water.
my goodness.
Oh! I didn't see that. I thought it was just water.
Oh my goodness.
Holy sh**.
I want you to grab it and pick it up because
You want me to grab the fish that is known to rip your hands apart up?
yes. Can you go ahead and grab it and pick it up?
Yeah, I guess so. Oh my gosh.
So I've had this for a while. Well, he leaned up against a heater and burnt himself, so I've been treating it.
I'm not letting you.
You can kind of see it on his back over here, but it's healed now, and I wanted it to be healed before we put him in the pond. So,
bro, that is crazy. I actually caught one of these in the Amazon. We didn't get it on video, but I caught one.
It's really cool.
That's funny because Fish Columbia actually shipped this to me.
That may be the one. No, that is awesome. That is gotta be the biggest fish.
For sure, I told you.
Like,
You think he's bigger than Schmeek?
I think pound-wise, yeah. Oh, that hurt. If you look at the size right here, it's called a ripsaw. They literally, like, nothing can eat them because they'll kill anything that tries to eat them. Yeah, it's good that we got one now. Thank you, bro.
Bye, Brenton.
Thank you, sir.
You are very welcome. I hope you enjoy your present.
That's dope. I think I gotta get you something next. I think I can
How
do
about
that.
you wait? I almost have the ponds ready in the garage.
Okay, I'll be there.
That's what we're gonna do.
I'll be there like swimwear, like
Isn't it be off?
in your hair. Well, you don't have hair, so.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Bye. Well, guys, that was a huge success, and that fish will live a good life. Brenton is actually a really good fish keeper, and you know, things happen sometimes. So that fish will actually live a really, really good life. But with that, hopefully you went on to enjoy this video, and hopefully you are subscribed. If you haven't followed us on Instagram and Facebook, make sure you do that now. Links to both are down below. Also, visit freshwaterscrub.com. Use the code SALE. I'm doing a huge plant sale right now. 25% off. All plants, all merchandise, everything. 25% off. Use the code SALE. And with that, thank you very much for being a part of this journey on YouTube. And we will see you next time.